Dust collectors are one of those tools that aren't very fun to have, but they are necessary for many different projects and situations. No one dreams about upgrading their dust collector or looks forward to the release of a new model. There are many products available to choose the best dust collector, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ShopFox W1727 1 HP Dust Collector. This bag dust collector from ShopFox helps to keep users safe with a built-in safety switch that must be operated with a removable key. The 1 HP motor provides enough power to generate up to 800 CFM of air suction power, making it easy to keep the work area clean while sanding, grinding, or cutting. The combination of high air suction power, good air filter efficiency, and voluminous dust collection capacity are primary contributors to the success of this product. It even has built-in handles and wheels to improve the portability and offset the 59-pound weight. However, the 4-inch hose outlets need to be adapted to a 2.5-inch hose for use with smaller tools. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. While this affordable handheld vacuum cannot connect directly to any power tools, it is a lightweight, cordless option that makes it simple to clean up a small sawdust or metal dust mess. The cordless vacuum has a 0.1 HP motor and 100 CFM air suction power, as well as a washable filter that can catch debris and particles that are larger than 5 microns. Make use of the built-in accessory tools, including a flip-up brush, an extendable crevice tool, and a rotating nozzle to clean dust and debris from tough-to-reach places, like behind the workbench. The vacuum uses cyclonic action to separate large debris from small particles in order to help prevent clogs in the system. Number 3. DEWALT Dust Extractor. Keeping any project neat and clean while working is an important step that can mean the difference between an ideal outcome and a botched result, because the reality is that if the user cannot see the material, it becomes increasingly difficult to achieve the desired look or appearance. The 2 HP motor provides a significant amount of power to the tool, though despite this high power output, the air suction power is just 150 CFM. However, 150 CFM is more than enough to handle the small volume of dust that is typically created by small hand tools, and the 0.3 micron filter helps to ensure that the dust extractor doesn't clog. Number 4. Makita XCV11T18VLXT Wet Dry Dust Extractor. This cordless dust extractor weighs just 10 pounds and it has a fold-away handle as well as a hose storage space, making it easy to pick up and carry around the workshop or even load into a car or truck to take to the job site. The battery lasts for up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime when equipped with one of the 2 included 18-volt batteries. Each battery takes about 45 minutes to charge, so while one battery is in use, the other battery can fully charge. However, the dust extractor is limited by the low power output of just 0.1 HP and the 57 CFM air suction power, so it isn't the best option for a busy workshop. Number 5. Jet DC1100VX5M Dust Collector. The Jet DC1100VX5M Dust Collector is designed to be easy to use for years to come. It has a totally enclosed 1.5 HP motor. The impeller is steel, which makes it able to take in quite a bit more air than other machines. It also makes it more durable than a plastic impeller, for example. It has a see-through dust bag, so you can quickly tell when it is getting full. This also lowers how often you'll change the bag, since you'll be able to tell when it really needs to be changed. It is also a bit more challenging to set up than other options and is quite large. Of course, it is portable so that you can move it around. However, there are more compact options on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.